If we can't get Babe ready, the old reliable will always be ready.
All right, you guys ever wanted a 1970 Monte Carlo, a muscle car? This is your chance to own one. You've been waiting for this for quite some time. I've owned this car for a few years. It's finally time to give it to one of you guys. So for every $5 you spend on merch, you're gonna get one entry on this bad boy. For all the rules and regulations, you can go over to thefabrats.com. And on behalf of you guys, we will donate to one of our favorite charities, which is Gifts from Grady. Head on over to thefabrats.com. You don't wanna get scammed, so make sure you're at thefabrats.com. Get some merch, and let's help Gifts from Grady out.
We got the Tacoma because the Babe is not looking promising to be done by the end of the month. I've got the old Yoda in here just to go over it and make sure she's all proper and ready to go. And I've got some stuff for it. Seats kind of are stained and they suck. The driver one's got a cover on it because it sucks. And it's got this OEM radio. Doesn't have Bluetooth. And who doesn't have Bluetooth in a truck nowadays? And there's like a couple little things, like this thing just spins constantly. Need to fix that, clean it, check the oil, check all the links, make sure it's all ready. Just in case we don't get that truck done, the old Trustworthy will be the backup. Probably a year ago, my dad bought a donor truck for the frame. Because the frame's pretty bad in this, as you could see, because it broke. It has a lot of good parts, like interior parts in it. So we're gonna head down there. I feel like we ought to take that one out, figure out what we need and don't need. We'll start finding some parts. Radio is loose. Let's set this up like so. Start unplugging connectors. That is one OEM radio. Alright, so now I think we ought to go see what size the seat bolts are. A couple screwdrivers and a 10 mil. We can get that sucker right out. We'll hop in the truck, mob down there. Boom, right here. There we go, that screen is gonna be what we're coming for. And this seat, it's pretty money. We'll go rip some stuff out. Hopefully we can make it function. It's out. Now I've just gotta figure out where some wiring goes. And then we can pull a seat out. How good's the back seat? Back seat's actually pretty mint. Keep cooking. Alright, seat removed. I got it out here. And I found this under the floor mat. Now we just gotta keep chasing wires and figure out where they go. If I can get the passenger seat out, that'd be money, but I think it's bent. We're gonna keep trying. Found the wiring. Sucker's out. Now we shall leave. That's all we need. Boom. And we're back. Take this thing. See what happens. I've been at this for a bit now, and I think our radio got water in it, and it's not working. Let's do a proper mock-up. Oh, dude, that would be so sick. But I don't think it works. Seat removed. There's some trash down here. Got some cleaning to do. But we'll get her cleaned out. It should be looking proper in no time. Interior, pretty clean. Not terrible for what it is, but now we're gonna roll back to the cars and steal some seats. So this might be fun. Let's go find some seats. We're back at the cars. And floor mat, it's actually pretty money, is we're gonna take. Seat, they're not bad. They're cloth instead of the weird vinyl stuff that's in the truck already, but they're in better condition, I feel like, and they're gonna be more comfortable. So we'll load this one up and then we'll attempt to get the other one out. So I didn't look at it very closely, but passenger seat airbag deployed. So the seat's pretty cooked. Got the goods. Floor mats, driver seat, which I think should be it that we need. We'll just have to clean the back ones and the passenger one. Should be good. Got all the glass cleaned out of the new seat. Looks proper in there. We'll get the other one cleaned up, thrown back in. Got the floor mats out there washed off, they're drying. And then she'll be money. Look at that. Floor mats, seat, floor mats. We'll go to the back. Boom, seated. This is like a brand new truck in here. Sucks we couldn't get the screen in there, but I think we're gonna order some seat covers just to cover it so they all match. And because you can find cool ones. Tacoma, all cleaned off, looking smexier than ever. We got a little bit more internal work to do to it, but looks way better than it did this morning. If we can't get Babe ready, the old reliable will always be ready. We may have to put a tranny in it, but that's just because you gotta bang shift gears here and there, and sometimes the bang goes shift, yeah.
All right, guys, it's morning. We've got this in the shop. Ta-da! We brought a taco in the shop for backup because Babe's looking like it might not get done. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this truck so I know it's good to go, which means a transmission. I went and picked one up yesterday from auto wrecking yard, supposedly only 100,000 miles, something like that. So second gear is bad in this truck. It has been forever and it's really bad now. We're gonna go ahead, get the trans jerked out of it, put that back in it, and just kind of nut and bolt the thing. Oh, we've got gears to do in the rear end as well because they're howling and I don't want to listen to it. So we've got some stuff to accomplish on this today, so probably gonna just hold off on this truck for a minute, tackle this one today and get it handled.
What we got going here?
Waiting for the power to come back on. That's what we're doing. We can't run anything heavy duty currently because our power's out. The generator will only handle light duty stuff. Yeah, lights basically. We tried the hoist and it wasn't loving it.
Apparently.
Yeah, don't run the oven.
Yeah.
Don't run the oven, you'll melt us down.
Melt it. You told me that that thing would do the whole house and the shop.
Lights.
No, lights. Lights in the
Well,
house.
I guess they're not good muffins.
Sides look.
It's got some shiny parts to it. Got a lot of miles on it. I'll bet it's just dandy.
Internals don't look bad. But
Transfer case is out. We'll pull the trans now and throw that one in it. We're gonna go wash this off. And now we gotta fill it back full of oil because Jace laid it down upside down and drained it all, which is great.
how much oil do these things take?
I don't know until it runs out. Okay, nice and easy back.
Should clear right there.
Watch the O2 sensor on this other side. Let's just go set it outside. Right there, looks like a grand spot.
Like, listen to that.
This is a new throw out. We're gonna get a little grease and put on there. My shift fork's way more war than the other one is. This one's probably gonna be pretty good.
The tranny just looks better. It's cleaner.
Got less miles on it, it ought to. You
Thing.
should be able to yak it up and put it in there. She's in. He'll get her bolted back up. We'll see if it shifts.
New trans. It'll probably shift a lot better.
It won't shift much worse.
Well, so me and Corbin and Kyler went on a ride and drove the mini quad here. The rear sprocket exploded. Landon decided that we had to strap it on somehow, so we loaded it on the top. Yeah, the sprocket, all the bolts snapped out of it and it completely died.
All right, Chad, what we got going here?
Well, we're just pulling this apart. So last time when I set this up, we had a heck of a time getting the pinion nut tight, and we finally got it tight, but we put so much pressure on it that the threads pulled out of it about 3 weeks after we gave it back to your dad. So we're pulling this apart, trying to figure out what we did wrong and get that fixed, get some new parts in it, and get this thing back up to 100%. So
Back in the game.
back in the game. This is a Ford 10.5. Yeah, so this is out of a probably like a 2010 or older.
So it's the same
Super
as the
D.
front end, basically.
Out of the same truck. Yeah. Yep, these are kind of goofy. Ford did so much weird stuff on these that you just don't know what you're going to run across when you work on one. Oh, I guess it helped if I got the axle all the way out, huh? Oh my goodness, those things are heavy.
You see any
There?
visible?
No, I think the teeth on the ring gear are good, the teeth on the pinion are good. It's just the threads on the end of the pinion are going to be destroyed from that pinion nut fiasco. We'll get it apart, get everything swapped over, and it should set up really easy. So it's the same brand of ring and pinion, and so probably 20-30 minutes we'll be going back together.
Transfer case getting ready to go back in.
Yeah. Just gotta apply some good old right stuff and smear it all over.
Do you want the trans cross membrane before that?
No, it's a lot easier with it out.
Went and cleaned it up. She's looking proper. What do we got going here?
New part. Can't even spit the name of it out, but that part right there, it's in. There you go. Carrier. Now I can put the drive shaft back together, so by the time Landon gets that bolted in, we'll have it back together.
Oh, if I keep the nut.
Doesn't look bad at all.
Yeah, I'm surprised at how good it looks. Well, that's actually in better shape than I would have expected. Heave ho! Don't hit your head. Lined
What's
up on the
going
splines.
Oh, hey, gotta take it out.
What did you do?
There's 2 dowel pins.
Oh, that'll do it.
Alright, put it in.
Oh yeah, you got.
Yeah, this one has another dowel pin in it.
So it's got a dowel pin right there, and there's one right there. So yeah, that's not gonna work.
Oh, it's gonna come out.
Oh, nice. It's your lucky
Keep
day.
turning it the way it went.
It's like stopped.
Here you go.
Oh. This doesn't look dangerous.
It's moving.
Multiple fatalities.
Yeah.
We got, what, 4 of us?
I still got Graydon. And if I lose these 2, I still got 1.
Dude, look at that. I
Nice.
know what I'm doing here.
It came right out.
I am a certified
Alright,
mechanic.
let's put this thing back up there.
Mechanic lift.
Well, even a broken clock gets it right twice a day.
That you got hanging out. Let's see him work.
I can't lift. I can't lift.
There you go.
What was that?
It's called a wiggle.
A pop noise. You don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Truck didn't fall, we're good.
it's Toyota. It's built to handle pops.
A lot of other things pop on a Toyota.
Especially ball joints.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't change the ball joints, they will pop. And leave you
Yeah.
stranded somewhere.
Oh, hey, look at that. The first casualty. Just let it dry, Jace. It'll peel off like Elmer's. You remember Elmer's glue, don't you?
I do. That stuff was terrible. Alright, transfer case is bolted and I just got to put all the bolts in it now.
You weren't the certified Elmer's glue taste tester then, huh?
I was not a taste tester.
I guess I'm just the weird one in the group.
I drank a whole bottle of it once.
Yeah, okay. Who's surprised that,
Yeah.
that Jace...
Nobody now.
Hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks.
So it's going to go
Wonder
together.
why that wouldn't crush anymore.
Because it's pretty much solid.
Holy jeez.
What's it supposed to look like from the factory?
Like this.
Like that.
I mean, that one looks
There was a
like...
lot of pressure applied to that.
I remember that when we were
Well, no,
cranking her down.
when he
When I
did
did
the
it,
first time he
Yeah,
applied.
I broke all the tools doing that.
Look at the
so.
threads on that
Oh, it.
pinion.
I'm surprised they're that good. They're not that bad.
No, they're really. You could probably make that live, but
That nut was on there. It came right off.
did it really?
Yeah. No big deal
We
at
put
all.
some serious pressure to it.
Yeah, we could almost put a crush sleeve in it and reuse it, but we're not going to.
We'll have extra
Fun
parts.
hater.
I
Chad's
know.
a fun hater.
I know, but
He's
we've
a-
done this enough
This is
times.
number 4.
We've done this enough
This rear
times.
end has gave me nothing but hard times.
Wanna know why?
Yeah, I'd love to.
It's a Ford.
I think we take this off and the 2 pieces under it, put it on this, and we put it back together, and
Love it.
we go for a test drive in a quiet Tacoma. Oh, that bearing wasn't falling off.
No, that thing was stout.
I think it'll be okay.
I think it'll drop up on there.
I don't think I had any problems with it last
Okay.
time, so.
Old ring,
Old
Parts.
ring gear, an old pinion here.
spare parts.
Yeah, it can just go to the spare junk pile.
Yeah, the spare part pile in the sky.
I hope heaven's not like that with parts.
Yeah.
Like when you see all your dogs you got.
Oh,
I
yeah.
hope it's not all the broken ring gears and axles, and
Yeah.
heaven's gonna be a big place if that's it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big stinky place. with all
Oh,
those
90
broken-
weight. Transmissions burned up for days.
New and improved parts.
No, the exact same parts.
But new.
Just this right here is new and improved. So if you'll notice the difference in size, this is the wrong one. We've got the right one currently now. Things should go back together, set up proper. The Tacoma shouldn't howl on diesel anymore.
That'll be nice.
It will be. And it'll go into second gear when you downshift it, which I've never known it to be like that. When I bought the truck wrecked, it wouldn't work, really. You'd have to hold it real hard. Now you can't physically hold it. It said no more. Here, I'll hold the bolt up in it. Boom. That looks like 79.5 foot-pounds exactly.
Whatever the chart says this torques to,
That's what it is.
That's what it
Oh,
is.
look at that.
Great.
I think I got enough. I'd help you, but like loose. Whatever that shim was that you lost.
I'm glad we pulled it out because it would have been too tight.
Would have been, huh?
It would have been. There's probably only like,
Oh, geez, yeah.
she's only got like 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty good right there.
That's not terrible. Let's see what the pattern looks like and
Oh, it's gonna be money.
make sure she's not noisy, since that's the whole purpose.
Yeah, since that's the whole reason we're doing what we've done.
Yeah.
We get some mustard.
Keep going. Right about there is where it starts.
Get clear through it.
Get a couple more teeth.
Go backwards on it.
Go backwards on it now. Okay. Okay, let's see what we get. Yeah, we should have just put it together.
Should have just sent it, huh?
Should have just sent it. That's
4th time's the charm.
Yep. That's money.
Last time.
It'll be there's gonna be a couple.
You don't ever say last time on her rear end.
Yeah. You just hope you make progress each time.
Assembly.
No,
Close. We're getting down to the last dozen.
there's just nothing easy about setting them up. If you don't do it right, you're redoing it. And well, we've redone it.
Think we're done?
Yes, we're done.
I think we're done.
We're done.
She is happy
Yeah.
right there. So
Okay.
money. That thing's done. We'll put it back together and
Yep. Pop this off. swing
drive
this.
it.
Put some Loctite on though.
Now we gotta roll that up.
Roll this up so we don't get too many nasty comments. Anything.
Final piece of the puzzle. Or no.
A little
Second
bit
to
of oil.
last, a little oil in there.
Yeah.
All right. Rear end almost done. We'll get Landon to pump a little oil in it. Should be finished. All right, I think we're ready. Let's take her for a test trip. See if the rear end doesn't howl and transmission shifts gears. Let's take her for a test trip. See if the rear end doesn't howl. The rear end still doesn't sound good. Chad, we're gonna need your help. And transmission shifts gears.
Yeah, it moves backwards.
Does clutchy things. Oh, second gear. Everything already sounds better. So far, I like it. There's third. Oh yeah.
Second.
This tranny's happy. Money well spent. It's good. We still have to service the thing, change all the fluids in the front and the motor, and the front end air locker is leaking, so it's got to come apart. And we'll put new seals in that. And then I think clean the air filter, make the AC blow cold. I think we're ready to. This thing's back among the living again. So I think that's about all we're gonna get done for the day. We got a transmission in it, got the rear end fixed. I think that's all we got time for today. Next time we'll fix it, so or finish it. We'll be ready to go to Colorado on Colt's Ultimate Camping. I don't know, Colt's. What's it called? Colt's Summer Camp Adventure? Something. I don't know. I have to look that up, see what he told me it was. I forget names quicker than I know them, but we'll tackle the rest another day. So thanks for watching.